moment of truth then. Give me your stock pick, rather, David Shapiro. What are you bullish on today?
I've gone back to Nvidia.
Nvidia?
Yeah.
Why?
You know why, Bright? Because I've been watching the stock very carefully, and it's always been, there's been huge selling positions in it. And I think the sellers are gone and the buyers are returning. We're getting the results shortly. I'm a bit nervous about that because, you know, the expectations are high.
Yes.
But suddenly over the last couple of days or weeks, they've been gaining momentum, even at a time when the markets are down. The buyers are returning. So I take that as a good sign. You know, I think the sellers are out. The weak holders have left. And we're going to get new momentum in the stock, depending on what the results produce. But
yeah, so
I've got a good feeling about it at these levels, yeah.
Yeah, David Shapiro, you're probably one of the few old people who can say Nvidia. They always say Nvidia for some reason. Sanelisiwe, your stock pick for tonight?
I know David doesn't like the commodities at the moment, but my stock pick is going to be AngloGold. They also released results today, which were slightly behind market expectations. So you saw it kind of fall off a bit, and the guidance on the cost is a bit higher than what people expected. But I think there's still a few positive catalysts there. The dividend policy has been changed. It's more generous now in terms of dividend policy. I think they're in a nice cash flow position now. You see that the free cash flow reaching $1 billion, almost $1 billion. So very, and the balance sheet is ungeared. And they still have not been included into some of the US indices post-listing last year. So this is their fourth quarter of producing positive profits now in the US after being listed. So we expect that they will be listed in some of the US indices, and that should create some passive demand for AngloGold. So hopefully it does provide some support for the share price.
So AngloGold for Sanelisiwe with a nice kicker there. And Nvidia, a different type of mining, I guess, for you, David Shapiro. That's all for Stockwatch today. Thanks to our guest, David Shapiro from Sasfin Securities and Sanelisiwe Tofile from All Weather Capital. Do note Stockwatch will be pre-recorded at 12:30 on Friday. Be sure to send those questions via email to stockwatch@bdtv.co.za. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.